Ooh. I probably won't even pick them up. Hey, whatever. Hey, we're 1 week away from the annual SB Mitch collection video, so tune in next Saturday. Not tomorrow, but Saturday the 31st, which is Halloween, because that's when the collection video comes out, every Halloween. See you then. Thanks for tuning in. I'm SB Mitch, as I said, kind of. Give me a follow on social media. You can subscribe to the channel. You can turn on notifications. You can do all of that or none of that or some of that. Do whatever you feel like because it really doesn't matter. Hi, pals. It's Friday, so we're opening a box. Sole Supremacy has absolutely been slaughtering with boxes lately, especially boxes in like the $700 to $900 range. So this box is dead in the middle of that. I've been getting really good boxes lately, and this one is in that price range. This box was $800 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois, for a grand total of $850. Ooh. It's clearance, it's a counter. It's gonna be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, and other various factors that affect the value of a shoe. Then we're gonna take the entire estimated market value of the box, put it up against how much I paid, and see what the potential profit is in the breakdown. So let's see what's inside the box, shall we? Sorry, I've been getting nothing but $800 boxes lately, guys, but guess what? I'd rather get $800 boxes that I can make money on than a $1,000 box with a bunch of Yeezys in it, because no thanks. First thing I see is a Yeezy 350 V2 box, so that's cool. All right, so obviously we're gonna get that one out of the way first. All right, so the first shoe out is the size 10 350 V2. It says what colorway it is. We've got ourselves a worn pair of the Cloud White Yeezy Adidas 350. Adidas? Is that their new name now? These are in okay shape. You could see there's a good amount of outsole dirt, but not really wear. Well, there is a little bit of heel drag right there. Well, it's gonna pick it up, but whatever. So these are in decent shape. Let's take a look at the insoles. Insoles are pretty worn. I gotta clean these up big time. Are you walking around in a field? What's going on here? It's gross. This Rejuvenator stuff will make easy work of these. So very excited about that. If you guys want to check out Rejuvenator, check the link in my video description because I am a Rejuvenator influencer. But anyways, these just need to be cleaned up. They're in pretty decent shape. It's a size 10, 350 V2 in the Cloud White colorway. Interesting. Hey, if you're interested in purchasing those shoes or any of the other shoes in this box, SBMitch.com updates today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And unless these pairs sell on GOAT before then, you can check them out. I got a size 8 NMDR1 Star Wars. So these are worn. I think these might be like Darth Vader NMDs because they have Darth Vader on the tongue area or whatever. Oh, on the heel it says, "Join me and together we can rule the galaxy." I'm trying to think of a joke for that, but there really isn't one. I don't know. It's a size 8. It's lightly worn. Check out the outsole. Just a little bit of wear. Not much drag on the heel, which is good. And it looks like they just thought they looked cool for a second and then sold them. So size 8. Darth Vader NMDR1. Hopefully that's the last Adidas in here. We've got an old Nike box here. Probably from the mid 2000s to the early 2000s. It's an Air Max 90 360 in a size US men's 11. No, it isn't. This is a replacement box. It is a size US 11. Here you go. This is the Tiffany Highs, the Nike Dunk SB retro of the original Nicky Diamonds Nike Dunk Low SB collaboration. These came out in like 2014, I think, 2013, something like that. It is a size 11, which is my size. I do not wear highs because I just find them uncomfortable, so I will not be keeping these. But these, I mean, along with every other SB in the last like year and a half, just the hype on these is just ridiculous. But overall, the wear is there's a little bit of heel drag going on there. There's a little bit of star loss on the forefoot. There's a little bit of discoloration on the midsole, which I can take care of. But these are in okay shape. They have a replacement box. It's a size 11. Diamond Supply Company Dunk High SB. So we got a size 10 Air Jordan 12 Retro. Ooh, this is a nice colorway. This is a worn pair. It's a Jordan 12 in the cool gray colorway. Got a little tag going on here. Really nice pair. These are in actually really good shape. There's a little bit of creasing on the toe box. The pair itself is in really good shape. There is a Jumpman on the inside. I don't know if it's going to pick it up because if I'm holding it like this, I can't see my viewfinder. So these are in good shape, and they come with the original box, and it has the original shoe trees and a hang tag. Don't know what the value is on these, but it's a really slick looking colorway. I do not mind this at all. So there you go, size 10. Cool gray 12s. Nice. A Nike sportswear box. We got a Nike Air Max 2015 in a size 8. These are the cool gray Air Max 2015s. I mean, not a hyped pair. Very, very light wear on the bottoms. They just need to be cleaned up. Kind of a cool silhouette. It's definitely like a runner or like a trainer type shoe. There you go, size 8. Not a great size for this kind of shoe, but Air Max 2015 in a size US men's 8. Interesting. 2 more in here. Got a Jordan 11 in a size 9.5. This is a release from 2010 that is due for a retro, but I don't know when they're going to be doing it because they haven't announced anything like it. As you can tell from the box, it is a cool gray 11. A lot of cool gray going on in this box. It's a 2010 release, cool gray 11s. Looks to be in sound structural shape. No separation or anything like that. Just a little bit of creasing here on the toe box on the medial and lateral sides. You have original inserts, which is always a good thing. No Jumpman because they've been worn a little bit, but look at the outsoles. Outsoles are just discolored. There's not any heel drag going on here. No separation or anything, at least as far as I can tell. So size 9.5, decent size for this kind of a shoe, but one of the more classic Jordan 11s. So there you go. 9.5, worn pair of cool gray 11s from 2010. So they do have some years on them. One final pair in here. It's a size 12 Air Jordan 3 Retro. Almost there. This is a pair of the Wolf Gray Jordan 3s. They are worn. You can see some toe box creasing here. Outsoles are in pretty decent shape. They're supposed to be clear or like transparent-ish all the way out, but they just are dirty. There's next to no star loss on the forefoot, no heel drag. These are in really great shape. There is a hang tag, which is very rare to find in 3s and 4s, but this is a really simple, clean colorway. Probably not much value, but a really good looking shoe. So there's your final shoe out, a size 12 Wolf Gray 3s. And that is an $800 Sole Supremacy beater box. This box doesn't wow me as much as some of the other ones in the same price range, but it's still pretty good. Let's take a look at the numbers and see what's going on here. Good box. I mean, it's not, I mean, I said it earlier, it's not like wowing me right now, but it seems like a solid box with some pretty easy moves in it. So aside from the NMDs and the Air Max 2015s, I think a lot of them are going to move pretty quick. So if you're interested in purchasing any of those shoes or just checking them out on the website, go ahead. sbmitch.com, 6 p.m. today, updates for you and everybody else, I guess. That wasn't really a good sentence, but hey, that's kind of what happens here. Remember to tune in next week for the yearly collection video. Very excited about that. And see you on Monday for another version of Box Recap, whatever the series is called. I don't have a name for it yet. So see you Monday. Enjoy your weekend. Remember to take care of each other and remember to keep sneakers fun because they're supposed to be fun. Bye-bye.